Okay, we're having a starter problem. We turn the key and it makes no sound. It's like this. No sound, no nothing. Let's figure out what it is. Okay, one of the first things we want to check then is the battery. Does the battery have enough power to start the car? So if I take this multimeter and I put the red here on our red connector, and then I just ground the black to the ground, you can see my battery has right now 12.51 volts. So not completely full, but not too bad. It should at least provide some juice to the starter. The next thing we can try is to jump it and see if that helps. So we'll connect the red to the red plug and our ground to the ground, and then we'll connect the other end to a running vehicle. And if that works, then we know that we got a problem with the battery. If that doesn't work, then the battery's good and there's a problem between the battery and the starter. So the battery has plenty of juice, but the starter still did not start when we tried to crank it. So therefore, it must be the wires to the starter or the starter itself. Okay, here's my starter. It's right up underneath in the front, and you can see it. It pretty much just looks like this and connects right to the transmission. And what we're going to want to do is check those wires and those connections back in there. Make sure they're solid and they're actually connected. Sometimes the starter gets stuck a little bit. So let's try and just loosen it up. And a little trick that I've tried and worked in the past is just hitting it. So grab a little hammer or something hard and just hit it a few times. There you go. That might do it. All right, let's see if this will work. We'll try it up again here. And it starts right up. Just a little trick to help get your car started again. Now, there might be a problem going on with that starter, so we might want to look at changing that out here in the future. But if you ever find yourself stuck out on the road somewhere, just give a little hard hit to the starter and see if that works. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thanks.